Today I'm going to show you exactly how to change your Gmail time zone. Open Gmail, look at the time on any email in your inbox because that's your before. Now click the Google Apps grid icon in the top right. It's the 9-dot square next to your profile picture. That opens a panel with all your Google Apps. You'll see Drive, Docs, Photos, and the rest. Find Calendar in that panel and click it. Calendar opens in a new tab, leaving Gmail open behind it. Leave that Gmail tab alone for now. Now that you're on the Calendar page, look at the top right corner. There's a gear icon, and it's small compared to the Calendar grid. Click it. A menu drops down with a few options. Click Settings. Don't click the density options above it because those only change how tightly the calendar displays. Settings takes you to the full calendar settings page. On the left sidebar, click General. If General is already selected, just scroll down the main area until you see Time Zone. If you can't spot it, there's a search bar at the top of the settings page. Type Time Zone there, and the page will highlight the right section. Under Time Zone, look for Primary Time Zone. That's the drop-down that actually controls what time Gmail shows on your emails. This is the one place to change it because Gmail pulls its time from your calendar account. It's probably set to whatever Google guessed when you created the account. Click that drop-down. The entire time zone list appears. Don't scroll through it. That list is enormous, and it's easy to pick the wrong entry. Start typing a city instead. I'm typing Chicago and picking Central Time. If you're on the East Coast, type New York. If you're in the UK, type London. As you type, the list filters down to matching entries. The location in that same drop-down matters, because daylight saving changes follow the city, not just the time zone name. Pick the city that matches your location. That's the part that keeps daylight saving automatic. If you pick a generic time zone that ignores daylight saving, your Gmail times will be off by an hour after the clock changes. Once you click your time zone, the drop-down closes and the change saves automatically. There's no save button on this page. That's the part that catches people off guard. They leave the page and think the setting didn't stick, but it did. You'll see your chosen city and time zone sitting in the primary time zone field. That's your confirmation. The page won't reload and there's no green success message. The field just updates. That's normal. Directly below that, there's a secondary time zone option. I leave it off unless I'm scheduling with people in another time zone. The extra labels on the calendar are useful then, but if you're just trying to fix your Gmail times, it's just clutter. Leave it alone. While you're still in the general settings, look just above time zone for date format and week starts. If your calendar starts on Sunday and you want Monday, change it right there. It saves automatically too. That's a quick fix to make while you're already on this page. Now go back to the Gmail tab and refresh the page. If Gmail was open while you made the change, the old time can still show until the page reloads. I always refresh once. The next email timestamp will come up in the new time zone. If you had an email already open, close that email and open it again. That forces Gmail to rebuild the time display. After that, the time at the top of the email should match your new zone. If this got your time zone sorted, give it a like, subscribe, and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people looking for the same thing.